Petal. All right, next is the Gigi Petal. Now this I just learned. I've never used it before. This is Michelle Galnett came up with it, and I thought it was really cool. Now what she did, I gotta remember now. So she had her mesh, she brought it over, then I believe she brought this up to meet the edge like this, and then folded it over, okay, and then she scrunched it, and it gives you this kind of rounded looking petal. Now I'm thinking, what would you use that for? She started a cross using this petal, and it was beautiful. She used this and some ribbon, so she just folded over the ribbon, which looked like this mesh, right, when you just fold over ribbon and scrunch it. But that's what she used for this Gigi Petal, and that's what her nickname for her daughter is. So again, all she did is a 10 by 10 piece. She folded it over and met the corners, brought the bottom corner up to the edge, the fold here, and then just brought this over like this and scrunched where you can see it kind of goes down like this, and scrunched right here. I'm pretty sure that's how she did it. I think you can open it a bit too if you want, but that's the Gigi Petal. Now when she was doing it, I really thought she was going to scrunch it in the middle and flip it over, because that would have made an also a very cool petal. Flip that over, and it's almost like the Rita petal without cutting them both in half. So you don't have to twist it or anything, because I know with the Rita petal, if you wanted all the curves going the same way, you twist it. But this one, if you just bring it up, fold it over, and bring that bottom in, put it into the, so that's what when I was talking to Michelle Galnett, sorry, I said to her when I was watching it, it's like, that actually would be 2 different petals out of the Gigi, because you could just now put this right in there and you have what looks like 2 Rita petals going the same way. So what she came up with, I seen a different way. So that's how coming up with petals works, is just playing around. And you know, when she was folding it to make like that rounded thing, I was thinking, oh, what if you scrunched it at the bottom, it would make this kind of petal. So it does both. So that was really cool. So that's why I decided I was going to show you guys that one. So that is called the Gigi Petal, and Gigi is her daughter's nickname. Pretty cool, eh? All right, we're almost done.